It is a similar hadith. I'm not going to go into too much detail, but there's a couple of things we want to highlight here. Same thing, that fasting is a shield, and if somebody is ridiculing you, then you remind yourself that I am fasting marratain. Here it says, remind yourself twice that you're fasting. Now, this has a little bit of an expansion of the statement where Rasulullah ﷺ says, Allah loves the bad smell coming out from the mouth of a fasting person more than musk. And why is that? يَتْرُكُ طَعَامَهُ. Okay? Because the believer, he left eating the food for the sake of Allah. He held back from food. وَشَرَابُهُ. And he left the beverage, he left drinking for the sake of Allah. وَشَهْوَتَهُ مِنْ أَجَلِ. And because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is saying, and he left his desires just for my sake. This is why, remember the first hadith, Siyam, fasting has a special category from all other good deeds, even salah. Okay? Fasting is a special category even from salah, because the reward is unlimited. Here Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is explaining through this hadith Qudsi, why is it special? Because you're giving up things you actually need, that are absolute need of every human being on this planet. Eating, drinking, desires that we have, and we're leaving all of those things, we're restraining ourselves from those things for the sake of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala here in this hadith al-Qudsi, as-siyamu li, because fasting is for me, wa ana ajzi bih, and I will give the reward for it. Meaning the reward is unlimited. Wal hasanatu bi ashari amthaliha. One good deed gets 10 rewards. Fasting, unlimited.